Okay, this is the problem we have. We have snowblower Biltema ST120 wiring diagram taken out of the machine, just trying to figure out the two switches, headlight switch and the heater for the handlebars switch. So heaters and handlebars are here, and then there's alternator which has 3 wires, red, yellow and black. So measured here was something like 16 volt DC, and here something like 12 volt DC. So but what is here inside this alternator? This is a question. What is the waveform? What is coming out of here is unknown. So to sort out how it works, I wonder, I should have an oscilloscope there, but I don't have a handy oscilloscope to take with me outside. So I decided to do some simple device. Here is the diagram. So just let's try to use a tape recorder to record the signal here as sound. So we need to have something to reduce the voltage. So we have all this divider, 600 ohms. Okay, this is 680 ohms practically, and then some resistors to get this in millivolts from volts. So something like 100 to 1 mega ohm. So let's have 100 kilo ohm resistor and then 1 mega ohm trimmer to adjust the voltage level. These diodes are here to reduce the voltage peaks so that it's maximum 0.6 volts. And then we get this into microphone input of a recorder, and so we can get some signal which we then can look on computer using a Audacity or equivalent program to see the waveform. So this is what I'm going to do. And here we have the result. So I just reduced all the vitamin box, just cut it half, and inside what I have here is the printed circuit board with those components, and I just added some connectors, and then we have the microphone input cable. Okay, there should be some cover, but it's lost, not a big problem. So this is what we can use, and there are some these are just some what I should call them, rivets, just on these hooks, so I can more easily take a contact on the connector. So so this is the device, and I will just connect this to digital recorder, so I will have a sound signal out of voltage. Let's see how it works.